perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I'm gonna rinse these in a little water, get some of that starch off, drain them, dry them well. Season, olive oil, salt, pepper. Get these bad boys in the air fryer. Look how good this looks. It's giving pico vibes, but make it Turkish. What's in here? Tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, parsley, dill, and fresh lemon juice. It smells freaking heavenly. Can't wait. Garlic yogurt sauce, simple. Nothing complicated, nothing fancy. Some put mayo in it. I don't. I just use straight up garlic yogurt. Yogurt and garlic, sea salt. Sometimes I put lemon, but because I put lemon juice in the shepherd salad, I'm omitting that right now. So this is the white sauce, so to speak. I was using sea salt, but now I was using kosher, but I've switched over to sea salt. And please, if you use iodized salt, I say this all the time, I use iodized salt to clean my bongs. I don't put it into my meat soup. The more you know. Oiled up, seasoned up. I ended up doing sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, of course my favorite, smoked paprika, and I went with granulated garlic because, you know, we're cooking with flavor up in here. So let these chippies have some flavor. I'm like tired as hell. It's been a long day. I've been up since like right before 3, 2:57 to be exact. Look how good these look. Let's try it. Especially the munchies kicked in right at the perfect time. And it's gonna be perfection. Then I'm gonna make a little mock orange soda. Talk about a fire evening. New obsession unlocked.